With the 10th overall pick, the Galleries Tower High Riser select Ann Assis from Far Eastern University.
Perfect description, Maji.
Yeah.
You needed a defensive wall. Now you are getting it through the form of Ann Assis, a middle blocker from FEU. You already have Jean Assis, you have Rosel Baliton.
Yes.
Ngayon, madadagdagan pa yung firepower ng Galleries Tower.
And very excited kami to have her kasi nag-training siya sa amin for almost a week. And yung dedication and yung commitment na pinapakita niya sa team namin is really there. And yung pagiging vocal niya, yun talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ng coaches.
I think youngsters are very important talaga pagdating sa composition ng team because teams are now looking at the long-term plans eh. So for Galleries, I know you're still in your revamping stage. Marami na kayong nakuhang magagandang pieces. How will this complete your roster for the upcoming season?
I think more than the core of the Galleries, maganda rin na nagpo-focus din sa depth ng bench ng players. Kasi syempre, alam naman natin na hindi naman araw-araw Pasko. May mga times na kailangan nating palitan yung mga first six. So, magandang addition to from the side of Galleries.
Well said, Maji. I know that yan ang mangyayari sa inyo, so we wish you the best of luck. There you have it, folks. Ann Assis, now a high riser.
That's right. Congratulations, the Galleries, the high risers they taken, and Assis. Gusto ko malaman, Ann, as we have the rest of your family here, Coach Clarence, of course, and everybody else. Ano yung idea mo of being a professional volleyball player? Kung ano lang naiisip mo pagka sinabing professional?
Siguro po, pag sinabing pro volleyball player is yung yung pagiging responsible mo po na dalhin yung sarili mo. And yun na nga, work na nga po to. So parang buong puso mong ibibigay yung sarili mo kung ano man yung role na ibigay sa'yo nung team mo.
And of course, kasama rin natin isa sa mga middle blockers ng Galleries. You have Rose. Rose, anong pakiramdam ngayon? May bago ka ng partner sa net in Ann.
Yes, very siya nakapag-training na din siya sa amin and very vocal talaga siya. So nakita namin na best fit talaga siya sa team namin and of course yung aggressiveness niya din yung pinakita niya sa UAAP career niya and we're very happy and welcome to the team.
Okay, Coach Clarence, kailangan tanungin, why? Why Ann Assis? Anong nakita mo katangian kay Ann?
Siyempre, nag-block kami sa middle. So, nakita ko naman yung skills niya na nakita ko yung potentials na pwede pa namin i-improve para sa kanya.
Congratulations, Coach. Congratulations to the High Risers. And congratulations, of course, to Ann Assis as we go to somebody special again with Kyla. Kyla, who's with you this time?
Well, Boom, I'm with the panganay of the Assis family, none other than Ate Genra of Ann Assis. Now, Ate Genra, I'm curious, no, mayroon ka bang reminder or, inspiring message na sinabi kay Ann bago tong PVL draft night?
Actually, madami naman kaming sinabi ng family namin. Pero kanina, magka-chat kami, tinatanong ko siya kung kamusta siya. So, isa lang yung sinabi, kasi ang dami na nang napipili, na pipik. Ang isa lang yung sinabi niya, okay lang daw siya. So, nakita ko sa kanya yung talagang positive lang siya lagi, kahit sa inside ng court. Lagi siyang nagbibigay ng magandang energy sa kanyang teammates.
Well, of course, we know Ann Assis, for that energy talaga. A spark plug, kumbaga, before sa FEU Tamaraos. Now, Ate Genra, such a special moment. Do you have any message for your younger sister?
Ann, sobra kaming proud sa'yo. At hindi lang ako bilang kapamilya mo, bilang Realenyo, taga Real Quezon pa po kasi kami. At sobrang masaya kami dahil first time merong maglalaro na volleyball player sa PVL. And gusto ko na rin samantalin yung pagkakataon sa Galleries. Maraming salamat po mula po sa aming pamilya. Lubos po yung aming pasasalamat.
Well, there you have it, no, Ate Genra. Bit-bit ngayon ni Ann Assis ang buong Quezon Province sa Galleries at sa PVL. Congratulations once again. Now, let's turn it over to Neil.